Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. I am Ankur Sharma. Welcome you all on this YouTube channel. As you all aware that we have started a discussion series about M.Tech in IITs, NITs or the job role in PSUs. So in the series, we have already completed one video where we had a discussion for M.Tech in IITs, especially for civil engineering. Now this session, we will have a discussion about M.Tech in NITs. So guys, we'll cover all the general queries that generally students are having. Ki sir, which type of specializations NIT offer? What is the safe score to get the NITs for M.Tech MS program? Which companies generally coming as a campus placement in NITs? And what are the job role that a civil engineer can expect after completion of M.Tech from NITs? So today we have one civil expert is having more than 10 plus year teaching experience, Sandeep sir with us. So first of all, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So my first question to you, why anyone should choose M.Tech MS program from NITs?
Sir, first of all, in this question, NIT is one of the prestigious colleges in India. Now, if you consider NIT students, the most important NITs, or we call the old NITs, like NIT Surathkal, NIT Tiruchirappalli, NIT Warangal, NIT Allahabad, NIT Jaipur, NIT Nagpur. See students, why we have to choose NITs is the kind of research work which is happening there and also the kind of laboratories. And if you talk about the most important things, the professors, they are very much experienced. And the other important thing I would like to add here is the amenities provided there.
So my next question to you, Sandeep, what are the specialization that offered by NITs for M.Tech?
Sir, see, for civil engineering students, you are so lucky you have n number of specializations in NITs. We have structural engineering, we have transportation, construction technology and management, geotechnical, environmental, marine structures, remote sensing, earthquake engineering, and also we have oceanography. See the order, definitely it will be first structural engineering, next we will have transportation, next construction technology and management, next we have environmental, then we can choose geotechnical.
So all the students, you should note down whatever the specialization order that Sandeep sir has suggested to you. I have seen many comments that sir, I got this marks, which NIT can I get, or which specialization should I choose? So all the questions we will try to cover here in this video. So my next question to you, what will be the safe score to get the NIT for M.Tech?
Sir, see, if you are getting a score of 450 to 500, definitely you will have high chances to get into old NITs like Surathkal, Tiruchirappalli, or you can talk about NIT Warangal. Because these old NITs are far better when compared to the new IITs which are established just 5 years before. And if you talk about geotechnical or environmental, even with a score of 350 to 400, you can get into these NITs.
Okay. So my next question to you, Sandeep, which company generally coming for the campus placement in NITs for M.Tech?
See, if you consider structural engineering, usually L&T ECC is the company which is recruiting in huge number. We have companies like Afcons, or we have companies like Tata Consulting Engineers or Atkins, or we also have companies like Nagarjuna, RV. These are the consultancy companies which usually huge number will be recruited from structural engineering or construction technology management or from transportation.
Okay. So my next question to you, what is the job role that an aspirants can expect after completion of M.Tech from NITs?
Sir, especially students who have aim to study M.Tech, this is the one of the important thing. Because the kind of job role, if you have done from B.Tech, it will be related to more to site engineer. But if you have pursued M.Tech, definitely you will be into R&D, research and development, and also you will be into analysis and design. Suppose in a building, sir, in the execution part, most of the B.Tech students will be executing. But in the analysis, if you consider the drawings, the design, the specifications, and the checks will be all done by the M.Tech engineers or the postgraduate engineers. From B.Tech, if you want to reach the senior manager, it will take 5 years, sir. But after completing the M.Tech, directly you will be into
Go
the
for
job
the
role.
manager
So he
level,
can
okay.
save he can save 3 years of his valuable
Very good point. Very
valuable
nice.
times.
Very nice. So I think, guys, many pointers we have covered here related to NITs. Still, if you have any doubts, you can write in comment section. We will try to resolve your queries in comment section as well. So I think there is a best motivation to pursue your M.Tech program from NITs. You will also get the stipend. Every month you will get 12,400 from the Indian government, and it motivates you to study more and more. Okay. And of course, my dear student.
Sir, if you talk about stipend now, sir, that
Yes.
is, as you told C students, sir has already mentioned 12,400 rupees stipend. See, if you are doing B.Tech and if you want to study, means if you want to get a job through B.Tech, it will be hardly 15 to 20,000. Even after pursuing M.Tech, you will be receiving 12,400. The most important thing in civil engineering is experience matters a lot.
Very nice.
Especially it is a core engineering, no? So definitely your post graduation will help you a lot to reach better heights in your companies.
Very nice. So I think, guys, many pointers we have covered, but you should find your inspiration, your motivation to start your M.Tech from NITs. Definitely there are so many advantages, and if you are right now doing civil engineering, or in future if you want to make your career in your core branch, then definitely you have to enhance your learning. You have to learn new things, and the NITs laboratory, NITs culture, or NITs environment will give you this opportunity to increase or enhance your knowledge in your core subjects.
Students, if you want to pursue PhD in foreign universities,
okay.
to publish a paper in a journal plays a very vital role. We have an experienced faculty pool in NITs where they will have a collaborations with the foreign universities. In these areas, how to publish a paper in the most prominent journals, definitely you will have high chances. And if you can publish 2-3 journals, definitely you will have high chance to pursue PhD also in foreign universities along with the funding.
Yes. So one more I just want to add here, guys. If right now you are in the engineering, then as you know that after 21, IIT Bombay allows a third year students also to write the GATE exam. So you have the amazing opportunity. You can save your year, because many students after completion of their B.Tech, they just drop off 1 and 2 year, and after that they are preparing for the GATE exams and all. So the better is what, guys, if you start GATE preparation early, even in the second year, then you have a high chance you can have an attempt of third year, and in the final year attempt even you can expect a good rank or even under 200 rank. And if you have the rank under 200, maybe you will directly get the call from PSUs also or IITs also. And even if you have the rank under 800 or 1000, definitely you will get the good NITs also. So if you have not started yet the GATE preparation, guys, you should prepare for the GATE exam. And IMS GATE Academy provides some amazing features and provide the most premium courses. So we are offering offline courses, live online courses, hybrid courses, and self-learning program. Student, if you will enroll in any program, you will get 800 plus live lecture access. And I want Sandeep, you can just explain some other features.
See students, features of IMS GATE Academy is completely, we have a true role for the student success. If you talk about the features of IMS GATE Academy, how the student can be succeed. So definitely you have to test yourself. For this, we have the test series, like we have chapter test, subject test, multiple subject test, and advanced level test. Now, my dear students, as if in a GATE environment, you have to practice yourself after the completion of revision. So we have come up with all India mock test series. We are providing 12 test series. In addition to this, we are providing exercise books around 20 to 30 for each branch. And also, my dear students, let me tell you one premium product about IMS GATE Academy. We are providing the GATE question booklet. And remember, in this GATE question booklet, we are providing the alternative solutions also. Usually, when we used to have a discussion with Ankur sir always wants to have alternative solution.
Yes.
Sir, actually, this is a very good idea. Let me tell you, students, how this actually help you. If suppose there are some typical questions or difficult level questions, how this question can be solved in 1 or 2 ways, and we found out the best solution, and we have provided you both the solution. Some students might be comfortable in one solution, and some students might be comfortable in the other solution. So for these kind of questions, we are giving you the QR code where you can see the video recorded lecture of that. Now, my dear students, if you talk about IMS Gate Academy, the main success here is the one-to-one mentorship. We are providing 12 one-to-one mentorship, and my dear students, we are resolving the doubts within 24 hours of time, and you can post the doubts in the doubt solving portal, and it is very easy. Just crop it and paste the doubt, and definitely that will be answered by our respective mentors.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much for sharing all the features that IMS Gate Academy provide. So, dear student, we are offering offline classes in Bangalore, Jayanagar and Malleshwaram as well as in Vijayawada Center. So, if you are in the nearby area, you can just have a visit, or you can write IMS Gate Academy on Google also. You will get the mobile number of our student advisory team. And if you wish to connect with our student advisory team, you just go in the description. You will get the link where you can book a free counseling and you can ask your all queries regarding the GATE admissions or regarding the GATE preparation as well. I hope you like the session, and I hope this session will be very informative for you. And definitely, if you are looking for the M.Tech from NITs, we already tried our level best to cover your general queries. Still, if we have left with something, you can just write your queries in the comment section.
Preparing, one should have a great aim, and every student, if you have the dream to achieve if you missed it in your +2, but you have another chance to get into NIT or IIT. So it is the right time to start preparing for GATE 25. And remember, my dear students, if you want to have any queries related to PSUs, or if you want to start preparing for GATE, we are providing the Telegram group in the description. Just click on the link and you will be joined in the Telegram group. You will get all the updates on GATE.
So, dear students, thank you for watching the session. Stay connected to IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel. We are providing you all the informations regarding the PSUs. Whenever any job notification will be there, we will upload a video with authenticated information from the official website, and also we'll try to cover many short videos where we'll cover short tricks to solve the GATE problems, or some strategical video which enhance your GATE preparation. So, IMS Gate Academy is committed to provide good technical videos as well as some informative and inspirational or strategic videos to you. So, stay connected to IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.